Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for checking it out, and if you are a return viewer, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Today I wanted to give you a tour of this super amazing farmhouse, beautiful building that we're going to call a cellar. We're going to call it a cellar because that's what the homeowners used it for, was a cellar, and inside of it is still everything that they had in it that they didn't take with them. So this building was built in 1913, and as we walk up to it, you're going to be able to see where they've actually engraved the 1913 onto the building when they built it. The building, like I said, is just right outside of the main house. Everything is in poor condition right now. All of the buildings on the property in pretty poor condition, but my friend and her family are going to be renovating every building on the property eventually. So when you enter into the cellar, it actually steps down a couple of feet. I'm not sure exactly how deep it is, if it's a foot or 2 feet. I really can't tell because there is so much water there from the damaged roof and from the holes in the ceiling. So a lot of water has gotten in and flooded the space. So without having boots on, I couldn't really tell how deep it was. So I did the tour the best I could from the entrance. As you take a look around in the video, you can see that the cellar still has a ton of old vintage glass bottles and jars, all kinds of antique little trinkets and pieces that are really unique and not something that you see every day. Well, that's it for today's tour of the farmhouse cellar. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for this week's upcoming videos where I tour all of the different buildings on the property. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. Thank you.